guys, it's time for another Tech Tip Tuesday, and today I want to talk about oil changes, specifically DIY oil changes. We have a lot of customers that prefer to do their own maintenance, and we love that. But sometimes customers can have difficulties getting off the oil filter. It usually comes down to having the right tool for the job. This here is called an oil filter wrench. It's actually a Toyota product. We sell them here in the parts department, but there's lots of different versions of this out there. But what nice thing about it is it works on two different styles of oil filters. We have our spin-on filter. That's this metal one here. It's got a paper element on the inside, spins right onto the oil filter housing. This cap fits right over the end of it, and you can use this cap to remove and install the oil filter. The second type of oil filter is this canister style. The canister can be made of plastic or metal, but they use this little changeable paper filter element. So you'll take this one out, toss it, put your new one back in, and reinstall the oil filter housing. The cap works on this one as well to remove or tighten the filter. One important thing, you don't want to over tighten the filter. If you have this canister style, it actually gives you the torque spec right on it. This one's printed in there, it's 25 Newton meters. Your vehicle might have a different torque spec if you're using this spin-on filter. If you've got questions about the filter wrench or the torque specs for the filter, you can call us, you can email us, or you can stop on by, and we'd be happy to help you out at Toyota Tri-Cities.